The Hat Factory in Luckenwalde, Germany, designed by Erich Mendelsohn, is one of the most significant examples of early modern industrial architecture. Constructed between 1921 and 1923, the factory was commissioned after the merger of two major hat manufacturers, Hermann and Steinberg. Mendelsohn, then a young architect, was chosen for his innovative vision. The factory occupies about 10,000 square meters on Industrial Road, roughly 50 kilometers south of Berlin, in a city known since the 19th century for its hat production. The complex was carefully organized to support dual production lines for wool and felt hats. It consisted of 4 production halls, a boiler and turbine house, a dyeing hall, and 2 gatehouses. The structure was built using reinforced concrete, brick walls, steel, glass, and wood, materials that were advanced for the time. The most distinctive feature was the dyeing hall with its ventilation tower shaped like a stylized hat. This design was not only symbolic but functional, channeling toxic fumes out of the workspace through a modern shaft system. The expressive geometry and clean lines reflected the emerging Expressionist and New Architecture movements. In 1934, after the Hermann family fled Nazi Germany, the factory was taken over by North German Maschinenbau AG. The characteristic hat-shaped roof was demolished to prevent the building from being targeted during wartime. During World War II, it was repurposed for the production of weapons and later used by Soviet forces to repair tanks. After German reunification, the factory fell into disuse. Restoration efforts began in the late 1990s, led by architects and students from London's Architectural Association. In the early 2000s, the Ayad family from Berlin purchased the site and initiated conservation work, including the reconstruction of the original roof. In 2003, a permanent exhibition opened to commemorate Mendelsohn's work and the building's history. Today, the Luckenwalde Hat Factory, also known as Mendelsohn Hall, stands as a protected historical monument. It remains an architectural landmark, a blend of functionality and artistic expression that continues to inspire modern industrial design.